Okay, I'm ready. So
Okay.
you're going to show me how to do how to add 7 generation games into Schoology, right?
Yeah.
Very exciting.
So the fastest way to add any sort of resource to your courses is this is what the homepage looks like in LAUSD. I don't know what it looks like in your district, but we have the courses, groups, and resources at the top. The best place to go for this is resources. You can do it directly into your courses, but this is the easiest way to do it so that you can add it to multiple courses once you're ready. And also so that your kids can't see it until it's done. Which is good. You don't want them to see your work in progress. So you want to go to add. I like to organize things personally. So when I put together things that they're going to be using for a particular lesson, I like to make a folder. So you want to go to add resources folder. You can make it whatever color. I'm just going to, and when I organize them, I usually do it by like, let's say week 6 is what I have coming up. And I create a color for it because then when I send a message, I can go to your week 6, the yellow week 6 folder, click on that, and then it makes it more of a direct instruction. So you would click on that and open it up. And I would normally put like a Monday file and a Tuesday file, but you don't have to. I just want to show you how to do this on the inside. So if you're adding, I would suggest adding a file that gives instructions on how to use whatever resource that you want them to use. But if you just want to add in the external resource itself, you have 2 different options. You can do add a link, and you would copy and paste your URL in there. The title of this particular 7-generation game is Making Camp. Oh, come on, spacebar. And you add that in. And when you click on it, it will go to the external Making Camp site, which is fine. If you want them to have access to that but stay on the Schoology site, your other option is add external tool. Exact same thing. Put in the title, put in the URL, add. And then the cool thing about doing that is that when you click it, it will, again, give them access to the Making Camp game, but they are still on Schoology. So when they're done playing, they can go back to whatever their course is. Now, once you have the file filled with whatever you want it to be filled with, the way that you would put it into your course, blah, blah, blah. Sorry, this thing is all covered up. Is you can go to, you can do, once you do this, by the way, you can reorder the folder so you can put things in whatever order you want, stuff like that, which I always think is nice. But once you're done, you want to take that file, add it to course, and then you can add it to whatever class you want to add it to. And then when, let's say, but add to course, and let's say I put it in period 1, and I would put no folder so that it would just go to the automatic bottom of their page. So I put add. And then when my kids went to period 1, if they scroll to the bottom, there would be week 6 activities. And on the inside would be the Making Camp game. And they would have access to that and be able to use it. Okay. So just to show you an example of what the inside of one of these folders could look like, because it does make it easy to tell them where activities are and things like that. Here's one of mine. So this is week 5 activities because I'm in week 5 right now. Monday, Tuesday, there's a sheet where they have their instructions so that they can read the instructions for the day. And it tells them what to do and where to go. And then they can always just go back up, click on the Monday, Tuesday file. They're back in the same place. They have external links to Zoom meetings, which is another thing you can do, which is pretty cool. External links to their digital textbook. I have video files for them to watch, instructions for using their digital textbook. And then at the end, this is actually the link to the grade book, the graded assignment that they did at the end of this. So that's a way that you could use Making Camp in there, which is just, or any of the 7-generation games, is you add it under resources, and you don't even need to do this by file. You can just do it by add link or add external tool. Here I'm doing link. And again, you just go to the little gear next to it and press add course, and you can directly add it to